have some cereal and milk in just a second. Okay. Let's see. Basically Apple Jacks, by the way, if y'all don't know what cereal I'm about to eat. Look, about to enjoy life. Well, not life. Well, I do enjoy life, but cereal. I hope these birds are still out here because it's crazy how there are so many in my yard. If y'all can see that. Like, look. I wonder what would happen if I open the door. Let's see what happens if I open the door. They flew away. They flew away. They flew away. But yes, that's snow on the ground. It did it. This morning it's still cold. Actually, it's supposed to snow tonight and tomorrow night and tomorrow. So tonight, tomorrow, and so it'd be like 80% chance tomorrow. So, well, actually on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow it's supposed to snow, and then it's supposed to snow again. But yeah. So I just want to show y'all that because I've never seen so many birds all in the yard. It's crazy. Gross. So gross. It was really gross. I'm going to wash this bowl out and I will see you guys later because it still snowed today, but I still have to go to work. Guys, I'll see you later. Initially, I was a little mortified by the sticker shock, but the reality. Hey y'all, so turned out I didn't have to go to work today. Goes up to my job. Job tells me you're not needed. So, yeah. So, what y'all been doing? I ain't been doing a thing. Just chilling. Probably work on some more YouTube stuff. Yeah, I'll probably do that. Work on some more YouTube stuff. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do today. My laptop. Just chill. Yeah. So, are y'all liking, like, I'm gonna do it. Are y'all liking the intro? Like, let me know, do you guys like the intro? It's something different. Yeah, it's something different for me. But, yeah. Make sure that my Wi-Fi is on. It's on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and like fold some of these clothes because there's some clothes that we need to get folded, and I'm on Instagram right now and I just posted this look, so if you want to know and see a closer up look, then yeah. Oh my gosh, I need to get some ColourPop eyeshadows. I don't know what it is, what's the rave, but I need to get it. I don't know when, but I need to purchase it. So I'm just sitting here chilling, get ready to do some YouTube work. So I'm so excited about that. So yeah, I will see y'all later. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. Leave, comment, and rate and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. And I'm gonna enjoy this snow. So bye guys.